How does the body remember to breathe all the time? Like, what controls that?
Respiration is controlled by a sophisticated feedback system involving the brainstem, sensory receptors, and respiratory muscles. The process begins when chemical changes in the blood, such as increased carbon dioxide, decreased oxygen, or lowered pH indicating acidity, are detected by specialized chemoreceptors. Central chemoreceptors, located in the medulla of the brainstem, primarily sense changes in carbon dioxide and pH levels in the cerebrospinal fluid. Peripheral chemoreceptors, found in the carotid and aortic bodies, monitor oxygen, carbon dioxide, and pH in the blood. In addition, stretch receptors in the lungs sense the degree of lung inflation. These receptors send afferent signals through nerves to the respiratory centers in the brainstem, the medulla, and the pons. The medullary respiratory centers set the basic rhythm and rate of breathing, while the pontine centers help fine-tune the pattern of respiration to match the body's needs. The brainstem then sends efferent or outgoing signals via nerves, particularly the phrenic nerve, to the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, causing them to contract and initiate inhalation. When these muscles relax, exhalation occurs, and in cases of forced breathing, additional muscles are recruited. Changes in muscle activity alter the volume of the chest cavity, leading to changes in lung pressure and movement of air into and out of the lungs. As ventilation increases or decreases, the level of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and pH in the blood are adjusted. For example, if carbon dioxide levels rise, ventilation will increase to expel more carbon dioxide and restore balance. As blood gas levels normalize, the stimulation of chemoreceptors decreases, providing a classic example of a negative feedback loop. This ongoing cycle ensures that respiration adapts moment by moment to maintain homeostasis. Clinically, understanding this control system is essential. For instance, in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, long-term elevated carbon dioxide levels can make the central chemoreceptors less sensitive, causing patients to rely more on low oxygen as the primary trigger to breathe. In sleep apnea, the feedback system is interrupted, leading to repeated pauses in breathing during sleep. Clinicians assess these control pathways through blood gas analysis, observation of breathing patterns, and monitoring respiratory effort, all of which are critical in diagnosing and managing respiratory disorders.